So today, these three caught my eye, and you can see why if you've looked at my other videos. I've got a RAV4. I'm looking at trading in. I've had it for 4 years. I've looked at one of these. This is the GR Sport. Around 49,000, late 40s. CHR, the much talked about CHR, looks amazing. It's got real Urus, Lamborghini Urus looks, hasn't it? Look at that. Looked at loads of them. And the Yaris Cross, which I've always said is a great value car, but I've just noticed all three together, so I thought you'd appreciate we can get a real scale on who is the biggest, who is the smallest. I mean, I've said it before, this does look quite big when you put it next to the CHR, and these are really good value for money. It's nice in the sun though, look at that. And you know I love talking about the weather, especially when it's sunny. I get my camera out, I take you with me, 4K, we have a look. What do you reckon? You can see, right, so they're all a bit staggered. So we should be staggered on the front, shouldn't we? These two are very similar, and then obviously you've got the bigger RAV4 on the end. But yeah, just thought I'd give it a quick spin round while the sun was out. I saw these three together. We've been looking at these, was it mid-20s? Well, I think these are about 27. These are mid-30s. I think these are about 33, 34, and this is obviously late 40s. But yeah, make the most of a sunny day, what do you reckon? These are good looking. I like them in black. Cracking in the sun, isn't it? So yeah, just thought I'd take that opportunity. It's only a quick walk round. Sun was out, so I thought you'd appreciate it. I'll go for a little walk. I'll take you with me. I do like these. These are really nice, aren't they? In the sun, even better. It's got a real urban sports look, that one. It's got they've lightened the wheels. I've mentioned it on the video, go and have a look. And they've sports tuned the suspension to give it less body roll. I've got one, I've done a video on mine, rated it as the best car for less than 20 grand. Go and have a look at that. But yeah, this was just me having a quick look in the sun at the three together. What would you pick? Bear in mind that's nearly 50, mid-30s. Only in the 20s. These are a positive bargain, aren't they? And they do look really nice, especially in this colour, in the sun. But anyway, that's me waffling on. Thanks for turning up, having a look. I will see you another day. I was just passing by, saw these three together and thought, what an opportunity to get all three together. See, that is quite big, isn't it? Compared to, it's a lot slimmed down on this. I mean, it is a great looking car though, isn't it? We've looked at this lots, haven't we? We really have looked at that lots. I love these. Looked at them lots. Design spec. Not the biggest fan of them seats. Seats in this are nice. I can remember what the seats look like in the Yaris Cross. Should we go and have a look? I don't think we can see much in there. But yeah, that's what it looks like in there. Anyway, have a great day. See you guys soon.